Dum da dum da dum da dum da da da. Dum da dum da dum da dum da da da.
$50? Yeah. Ice cream at McDonald's, anyone?
Oh yeah.
Dance schedule, not Jason's, right? I'm seriously questioning that.
What is that?
Mr. The Boy Scout.
Oh, was this for the I have no idea.
This prom pass thing? Or prom receipt?
Can I have his license at least?
It's not his license. It's an identification card. It's not getting in focus, it's just focusing on you.
He looks stoned!
You can have those. I need to...
I want the actual wallet.
You want the actual leather?
Yeah.
Well, you need it because you're a cow. Notice how aggressively she's throwing herself at me?
You know what?
Hey, we're losing money here.
Look, they're mine. Not mine.
Will.
Notice the position she's in? It's one of her favorites.
I want the wallet.
What?
Let's put the money back in there.
No.
Please?
What part of no don't you get?
The no part.
How about if you don't stop asking him to pimp slap you in the face?
What?
Oh, wait, that was redundant. I'm gonna pimp slap you.
Okay, you give me the wallet and I won't tell him you hit me.
She has proof of all this, so it doesn't really matter.
Jason, this is not what it looks like.
Don't listen to her. It's been happening for a while now.
Well, like this is much better.
I'm not sure why she likes this one, but she does.
What? Did you get a quarter? Ow! My leg. What happened to his money? Do you have it, at least? Do you have it, seriously? Okay.
I'm losing your quarters, Jason. I'm sorry. Okay, you have to pick up the money. Before the puppy did. Okay. Proof that he's gay. It's a dance schedule.
Don't. Dancing is fun.
Amanda picking up the meager change for her one-night stand.
She gets desperate and has to tip the guy, and that's all she can afford.
I can't. Fine.
Was your eyes widening?
Ow. Ow! You hurt me. No, you think better now. You hurt me.
What?
It hurt.
So?
You can't hit me there anymore.
Okay.
Well, this is quite interesting.
Must be good again.
I bet the lights getting dragged around. She gets some sort of weird pleasure out of it.
You might not want to go that way.
I don't know what to make of it.
Oh, it's okay, you can go through.
Photographing, not moving.
It's moving.
Oh.
I don't know why she tries.
I love how you still have his wallet.
Yep.
Fine, I'm going through his wallet. Let me keep it safe.
You already took the money from it.